Today we're about to cook up a storm with a dish that's gonna make your abuela proud, straight out of the Dominican Republic. Now, before we get started, let me give you a little disclaimer. This recipe ain't for the weak of heart or the bland of palate. We're talking flavors so bold they'll slap you right across the face and make you say, "Hey, Dios mío." But don't worry, I got you covered, fam. Now grab those chicken thighs, cause they're gonna be the stars of our show. We're talking 2 pounds of bone-in beauties ready to soak up all that flavor goodness. But first, we gotta get them dressed to impress. In a mortar and pestle, we're gonna work some garlic, Dominican oregano, and salt until it forms a paste that's smoother than a bachata rhythm. Rub that paste all over those chicken thighs, along with some adobo seasoning, paprika, and dried thyme, along with a sprinkle of freshly ground black pepper for that extra kick. Let them marinate while we get the rest of the party started. Now let's heat up a large pot, aka a Dominican caldero, with some olive oil and sprinkle in some sugar. We're talking caramelization time, baby. Once that sugar turns into a gorgeous amber hue, it's showtime for our chicken thighs. Sizzle them up until they're golden brown and crispy on the outside but juicy on the inside. It's like a flavor fiesta in there. While the chicken's taking a breather, we're gonna toss in some chopped onions and diced bell peppers. Let them get cozy in all that deliciousness, cause we're building up to something epic. Time to bring on the sauce. Crushed tomatoes, tomato paste, and a chicken bouillon cube join the party. Now, to bring it all together, add 1 cup of water to the pot. This will help create a rich and flavorful sauce that coats every strand of pasta and every juicy piece of chicken. Stir it up until it's like a symphony of flavors dancing in the caldero. Now let's bring back our golden brown chicken thighs and let them cozy up in that saucy goodness. Cover it up and let it simmer till it's tender and juicy, soaking up all those flavors like a sponge. Now, to take it to the next level, let's fry up some fried plantains to serve alongside our espagueti con pollo. Peel and slice a plantain into thick slices, fry them in hot oil until they're golden brown and crispy on both sides, then flatten them with a tostonera and fry them again until they're extra crispy. Season with salt and serve them alongside our flavorful pasta dish for an authentic Dominican experience. While the magic's happening, let's get our spaghetti cooked up just right. Al dente, baby. Drain it and toss it right into the caldero, letting it soak up all that delicious sauce and chicken goodness. It's like a flavor explosion in your mouth. Top it all off with some briny green olives and a sprinkle of fresh parsley for that perfect finishing touch. And there you have it, friends. Our sizzling and authentic Dominican chicken and spaghetti is ready to rock your world. If you're craving to recreate this flavor-packed dish in your own kitchen, head over to kelvinskitchen.com for the full mouth-watering recipe. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this culinary masterpiece. So, what are you waiting for? Tie on your apron, crank up the music, and let's get cooking. Bon appetit, my friends.